Hello, good evening, buddy.
Good evening.
What's your name?
My name is Wilmer.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is Angeli.
How are you, Angeli?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old. How old are you?
I'm 24-year old. Where are you from?
I'm from Lima. Where are you from?
I'm from Chimbote.
Is that your cell phone on the table?
Yes, it is.
What is your cell phone number?
My number cell phone is 987654321. See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye.